Hello students, this is the math subject, class 4th standard, revision first for essay 2 examination. The first question is solve the following problems. In the first one, A question is find the profit. SP is equal to rupees 400, CP is equal to rupees 210. Yes, we know that the profit formula, profit is equal to SP minus CP. So filling the amount of SP and CP, after subtraction we get 190. So profit is equal to rupees 190. Okay, this is the answer for the A question. Next, let us move to the B one. Find the loss. CP is equal to rupees 200, SP is equal to rupees 80. So we know the formula of the loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. So filling the amount of CP is equal to 200 and SP is 80. So after subtraction we get 120. So this is the answer of the B question. Loss is equal to rupees 120. Next, the C question is find the SP. CP is equal to 24. Profit is equal to 4. Is the formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Is filling the amount of the profit, that is 4, is equal to, as it is, we have to find out the SP. So write the SP as it is, minus the value of CP is 24. Let's bring the minus 24, write it to the left, that becomes the plus 24 is equal to as it is. So SP is equal to, SP is as it is. So 4 plus 24 is 26. So that is the answer. So we find out the SP value is rupees 26. Next, D question is 24 kilometer, 30 meter plus 21 kilometer, 12 meter plus 4 kilometer, 23 meter. Okay, there are the three numbers. The units are kilometer and meter, kilometer and meter, and kilometer and meter. So we have to do the two columns, one for the kilometer and one more for the meter. So write the respected values in the column. 24, 30, 21, 12, 4, 23. So add the amount, add all the addends, so we get the amount, that is 49 kilometer, 65 meter. Next one is as same as the D1, 34 grams, 60 milligrams plus 2 grams, 28 milligrams. Solution, grams and milligrams. So there are the two columns. Okay, 34, it is in the gram, 60, it comes in the milligrams. Next, 2, it comes under the grams, and 28, it comes under the milligrams. The symbol shows the addition here. So do the addition. After addition, we get 33 grams, 88 milligrams. Okay, this is the answer for the E question. Yes, I hope it is clear. Let us move to the F question. F question as same as the D and E. So do the two columns, one for the meter and one more for the centimeter. So write the values in the respected columns. 546 and 20, it comes under in centimeter. So 320 and 10. So do the subtraction. Why? Because the question in the subtraction form. Let's do the subtraction. We get after subtraction 226 meter and 10 centimeter. Okay, this one is the answer for the F question. Next, the G1, 45 hectograms 10 grams minus 20 hectograms 10 grams. So do the two columns, one for hectogram and one more for gram. So filling the amount in the respected column, we get 25 hectograms and 0 grams. Okay, this is the answer for the G question. The next one is H question. Write in decimals 42 rupees and 25 paise. So observe the question is, what is that? Write in decimals. So the question is 42 rupees and 25 paise. It means, so write that one in the decimals. It means rupees 42.25 paise. Next I question. Write in decimals 15 rupees and 38 paise. Solution is 15.38. It means rupees 15.38 paise. Next, the J question. Convert into paise. Question is rupees 86.12. So this is the question. So we have to convert this one to the paise. So that means 8612 paise. It means 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So we convert 86 rupees 12 paise. It becomes 8612 paise. Next, the K question. Convert into paise as same as the J1. So 9 rupees 9 paise. So how to write? How to convert this one into the paise? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 9 rupees is equal to 900 paise. Then add the remaining paise. It becomes 909 paise. Next, L question is convert into rupees 8652 paise. The question it in paise. So we have to convert into the rupees. That means rupees 86.52 paise. It means 86.52 paise there. Rupees 86 and 52 paise. Next, M1 convert into rupees 4520 paise. The question is 4520 paise. So we have to convert into the rupees. That becomes rupees 45.20 paise. Next, M1 question is, yes, we did the M1. Next, move to the N question. Add rupees 66.11 plus rupees 50.22 plus rupees 75.32 paise. After decimal point, these digits shows in a paise. So 11 paise, 22 paise and 32 paise. So do the two columns, one for the rupees and one more for the paise. So filling the amount in the respected columns, 66 rupees, then 11 paise, next 50 rupees 22 paise, 75 rupees 32 paise. After addition, the answer is 191 rupees 65 paise. Okay, this is the answer. So write the symbol, that is rupees 191.65 paise. Next, as same as the N question, the O1 is also as same as the N. Question is add rupees 72.13 paise plus rupees 45.85 paise. So one column for rupees and one column for paise. 72 rupees and 45 paise. These two numbers comes under the rupees column, and 13.85. These two numbers comes under the paise column. Then after addition we get the answer, that is 117 rupees 98 paise. So write that one. Just insert the symbol of the rupees. that is 117 rupees 0.98 paise. Next, the P1 question. Subtract rupees 236.97 paise minus rupees 119.26 paise. So do the two columns, one for the rupees and one for the paise. So write that one, 236 in a rupees column and 97 it comes in the paise column. Next, the one more number here. So 119 it comes under the rupees column and 26 paise it comes in the paise column. After subtraction we get 117 rupees 71 paise. So insert the symbol, the rupees symbol, that is rupees 117.71 paise. Next Q question. Subtract rupees 523.70 paise minus rupees 432.55 paise. So do the two columns. So write the numbers in the respected column. 523.70, 432.55. So after subtraction we get 91 rupees 15 paise. So 0 is not subtracted by the 5. So do the regrouping here. 0 becomes the 10. So beside the number it decreases 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 it not possible. So 2 becomes the 12. The 100 place number it decreases 1. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. So what is the answer? That is 91 rupees 15 paise. Next our question is multiply. Rupees 634.24 it multiply by 3. So write 634.24 it is the multiplicand, 3 is the multiplier. So 3 4s are 12, 1 carry over, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So put the decimal point as it is. It means after two numbers insert one decimal point here. Next 3 4s are 12, 2 is here, 1 carried over. Next 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carried over. Next 3 6s are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. The answer is 1902 rupees 72 paise. So this is the product. Yes, what is that? Rupees 1902 72 paise. Next, the S question as same as the R. Multiply rupees 611.89 paise it multiplied by 5. Solution 611.89. This is the multiplicand. So write this number in the multiplicand place. Then into 5 it comes in the place multiplier. So do the multiplication. 5 9s are 45. 5 is here. 4 carried over. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. 4 write in the tens place. Next 4 carried over to the ones place. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 1s are 5. 5 6s are 30. So the how many digits after decimal point? There are the 2. So just leave the 2 place. Then insert the 1 decimal point. Yes, what is the product? The product is 3059 rupees 45 paise. So you have to insert the symbol of the rupees. Okay, that is must and should. Next, the T question, convert into seconds. Main question is convert into seconds. The question is 5 minutes. So we have to convert minutes to the second. Minutes into the seconds. So the standard unit is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 5 minutes is equal to 5 into 60. So 5 into 60 is 300 seconds. So 5 minutes is equal to 300 seconds. Next, U question, convert into minutes. So our hours convert into the minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 4 hours is equal to 4 into 60. After multiplication we get 240 minutes. So the last answer is 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. Next, V question is convert into 24-hour clock time. 8 hour 40 minutes. That shows the PM. PM is prime meridian. So add 12 to the 8, we get the 24-hour clock time. So 8 plus 12 is 20. Write 40 as in the question, as same as in the question. So the answer is 20 hours 40 minutes. So convert into the 24-hour clock time. That becomes 2040 hours. Next, the W question, convert into 24-hour clock time. The question is 11 hour 20 minutes. The PM. PM is prime meridian. So add 11 plus 12 is equal to 23 hours 20 minutes. So convert into the 24-hour clock time. That becomes 2320 hours. The answer is 2320 hours. Next, X1 question is convert into days 3 years. So we have to convert year into the days. So 1 year is equal to 365 days. So this one we already understood. 1 year is equal to 365 days. So the question is 3 years is equal to how many days? So 3 into 365, after multiplication we get 1095 days. It means 3 years is equal to 1095 days. Next, Y question, convert into months 7 years. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 7 year is equal to 7 into 12. So that is 84 months. So the last answer is 7 years is equal to 84 months. So these are the standard units. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. These are the standard units. Yes, this one is the revision first for the 4th standard. I hope all the questions understood to you. So thank you children. Keep practicing. Bye. See you in the second revision part.